Hey guys, it's Jennifer from Adored Signature Hand-Tied Hair Extensions, following through with this whole email series about how to attract and keep clients. So, you've installed their extensions, you've taken awesome photos, you've done everything, right? So, now, how do you keep them? Well, one, you keep them by keeping things personal. You've spent a lot of time with them, and while you want it to be maintained and be professional, you also need to remember these people are investing in you. So sometimes you want to reach out to your clients and send them a DM or a voice message and tell them that you're thinking about them and how is it going with their extensions. You haven't seen them in a while and you want to check up on them and make sure that they're doing okay. This always seals the deal with keeping your clients. They view you as your friend, and a lot of the times you really enjoy sitting and doing these clients' hair because you've searched them out, right? You have created your perfect Instagram person or Facebook person. You know who you want to attract and have sit in your chair. So odds are you're going to really get along with them, right? So one, keeping it professional but personal at the same time, reaching out to them, knowing how things are going. But the main thing is that before they leave the salon after the initial install, they make their appointment for their raise in the future. Hands down, this is always going to be the best success you can ever have. Don't let them leave without their next appointment. Also, send them home with the proper tools that they need to maintain their extensions. The brush, the clips, the shampoo, the conditioner, the deep conditioner, the heat protectant for when they're styling. Maybe you sell the proper curling iron that you want them to use. All these things are super important and make a client really feel like you really care about them and their hair and the success of them with their extensions, right? All these things, super important. So with that, make their appointment before they leave. Make sure you send them home with the proper tools and products. And if there's products out there that you necessarily don't have, guess what? We probably have them. We actually now sell beauty boxes on our site that come with all the products that they need to maintain their Adored Signature hand-tied hair extensions. We have a box for curly and we have a box that is for beach wave and subtle body. It comes with shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, if it's curly, a second deep conditioner, the brush that we prefer, clips to clip their hair up with, a styling comb to comb through. What else is in that box? Oh, the sock that I sleep in to maintain my curls. Like, there's so much wonderful things within these boxes to help you sell to your clients if you don't have the proper products. We also have a referral code to give kickback to stylists because it's super important, right? If they're not purchasing the retail in your salon, you want to get credit for it. We will give you credit for it. The other thing is that in order to keep this successful is that your install, again, needs to be perfect. Make sure you are on top of your game with that install because it is going to lead for future appointments to be super successful. Your removals will be easier because there won't be all this matted hair from janky stitching and hair loss if you have crosshairs. Like, all these things are super important to focus on and perfect in the beginning so that the end result is always perfection and always helps you in the future, right? And the main thing for the future is making sure that client books that next appointment before they leave. Don't let them leave without it. If they need to change it, tell them that they should know a week or two in advance if the raise is too soon or too far out. They should be in contact with you in the salon and keep that open line of communication. Make sure that they know that they can call at any time and leave a message for you, or they can DM you, right? But don't let them leave without that appointment and the proper products. Make sure that they know that you really care about their hair.